Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel in Scam Advice. So today's video is about SleepEase reviews. So here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So please stay connected with us. And if you are going to buy this product, then before buy please watch this full detailed video of this product, because in this video I will tell you everything about it. So without wasting time, let's get started. So my dear friends, the product name is SleepEase Pro Anti-Snore Patch, as you can see here, and the cost of this product is $59.90. And if we talk about this product, so this product is effective from the very first night, also keeps airway open, strengthens and re-educates the muscles, also avoid lifelong dependence on uncomfortable appliances. And next we will scroll it down and we will check more details of this website. So for that we will go down. So you can see here, long term without dependency. Imagine nights where silence reigns and snoring and sleep apnea are a distant memory. Wake up each morning refreshed and ready to conquer the day. And the best part, unlike other solutions, you won't need to use the SleepEase Pro for the rest of your life. And if we talk about benefits of using this product, so it eliminates snoring, also treats sleep apnea, silence from the first night, and it also has limited use and also recommended by doctors. And if you want to know how does it work, so you can read here step by step. First, detection, second, stimulation, third, breathing, and fourth, toning. And if we talk more about this product, so for that we will go down. So why does it really work? So their technology is based on physical and scientific logic. When throat muscle relax, they cause snoring. SleepEase Pro stimulates them, restoring and strengthening them and helping them to maintain themselves. Simply in theory, frighteningly effective in reality, as you can see here. And also now I will tell you how to use this product. So first, start up, switch on the device and select the intensity. 3 intensities available according to your preferences. Second, setup, attach SleepEase Pro in the chin with the attachment, string or a comfort patch, 10 free reusable patches plus string supplied. And third and final step, use. Fall asleep peacefully, the device work automatically. So my dear friends, it's all about SleepEase reviews. So according to me the product seems good and it also may be helpful for you. But before purchase, I want to tell you one more important thing, that this website is very new. So I request you to please purchase this product from a legit website, because this website seems scam website. But we have also recommended you to make a right decision while exploring. So if this video is helpful for you, so please do thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. And that's all for today's video. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And take care. Thank you so much for watching this video.